All right, Fred, thank you. What we're watching tonight, those stocks just took a nosedive today. Check out these numbers, will you? The Dow finished down 365 points. The Nasdaq losing almost 3.5%. The S&P down 2.5%. The average 401k lost 10% this year. But we've got your back tonight. News 8's Bob Wilson talked to an expert about what you can do to protect your retirement. He joins us live tonight from the Hartford newsroom. Bob?
Yeah, you know, one of the things they say is don't panic, don't panic. There are going to be corrections, but then the market comes back, and if you pull your money out, you won't be in the market when it starts to come back.
The stock ticker that wraps around the UConn Business School brought bad news and then more bad news as people stopped to watch the Dow close down nearly 400 points.
You look at the board and you see the stock market's drop.
Yeah, you get nervous. Your money's all tied up. You can't touch it.
At the end of the day, the stock market never rebounded and let air out of an already deflated balloon.
It's crazy. It makes everybody nervous. 269 Walmarts closing announced today, too, as well. I'm sure that exacerbates things.
Analysts say January 2016 has set a record as the worst opening month to a year in the stock market. It has many people calling their financial advisors asking, what should I do?
Financial advisor says that, I'm fairly young. So, in the long term, the market will, go up and down, up and down.
So we talked to a couple financial advisors today, and they gave a couple of tips saying, if you're young enough, if retirement is still 5-10 years away, you can ride it out. And you should ride it out because the market's going to go up and down and there'll be corrections. However, if you're closing in on the retirement age, they say you should have already been invested in safer investments.
We haven't had a major correction in a while, and don't forget after the last correction, then we had 7 years of a bull market. So to me, you just you can't look at it on a daily basis or even on a monthly basis.
People are talking about a down economy, Walmart stores closing, GE moving to Boston, a talk of a gas tax and a sales tax in Connecticut going up. They're not optimistic the market will turn around soon.
What can you do? How much control do we have over it other than, elections coming up?
Now, I did talk to one firefighter today. I said, hey, how's your 401k? And he went like this. He said, I see nothing. I don't look at it. I'm still young, so I'm just going to ride it out. And he says, the less I look at it, the better I feel. I'm Bob Wilson reporting live from the Hartford studios, News 8.